Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? Wild Will here. I know I've been out for a while. We're getting ready to do some serious horsepower on this here 383. I just got my Weiand 177 blower. Got in my Supercharger Holly carburetor. This is designed especially for superchargers. 750. Brand new 750. And again, it's especially designed for superchargers. Now let's go over here to this unboxing and see what we got. Okay. All right. I hope it's at the right setting up right. Pretty heavy too, about 70 pounds. All right. Let's see what we got here, people. Again, this is a 177. Oh man, ain't that nice. Oh wow. It comes with the belt. Hardware, I'm assuming. Yep. Feels like bolts and stuff in there. Got the intake. I forget the exact name for that. Intake, the engine. You see, I got good stuff in my motor. I don't have junk. I have good stuff in my engine. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do a mock setup right now before we bolt up anything. And we're just gonna set that on there like that. Oh man. I'm gonna set that on there like that. Look like all the bolts, because I ain't got the gasket nothing on there. We're gonna set that on there like that. And that's the big part right here. That's the heavy part. And I'll have to come back to that there in a second. We'll put that on in a minute. Give me a second. See what we got here. All right, people, this is just a mock-up. Just set it up there for a minute. See what it's going to look like. That's going to be sweet. And of course, you know, I got to cut a hole in the hood or just remove the hood. But that's nice. Y'all stay tuned, and probably next couple of days I'll get this thing going, and we'll go from there. Y'all take care. Bye.